Brain Power, Carotid Artery Disease on ABC 27 is brought to you by Penn State Milton S. Hershey Medical Center.
Welcome back. We have about 5 minutes left in the show. If you have questions for the doctors, call the number you see on the bottom of the screen. So, Dr. Harbaugh, how can someone prevent this carotid artery disease? Is there something I can do to line up my ducks to make sure that I'm better off?
In general, the things that you would do for your general health will help prevent carotid artery disease. So healthy diet, regular exercise, don't smoke, keep your blood pressure under control, manage your diabetes, all of those things that are just good for your general health help this as well. Of course, there are risk factors like age and a family history that you can't do much about.
So just take care of yourself. That helps in all regards. Let's go back to the ABC 27 call center now for the last time for tonight. Deborah?
Hi, Chuck. This is our last viewer question for this evening. I've been diagnosed with heart disease and cardioneurogenic syncope. Are these diseases related to carotid artery disease?
So neurocardiogenic syncope is actually probably not related to coronary disease or cardiac disease. This is a vasovagal episode. It's basically the most common cause of fainting. On the other hand, heart disease, though, can be related to carotid artery disease. People who have disease of their carotid arteries also have disease of their coronary arteries in the heart, their peripheral arteries in their legs. Very common.
Okay, thanks so much. Thanks for joining us. And
Doctor, I think we all have a better understanding of carotid artery disease, but before we sign off, let's talk a little bit about the Penn State Hershey Neuroscience Institute. You're the director. This is where all this good stuff happens. Talk about it.
Yeah. Well, the Penn State Institute of the Neurosciences is a university-wide organization dedicated to excellence in research, patient care, teaching in neuroscience. The Penn State Hershey Neuroscience Institute is the portion of that at the Hershey Medical Center, and we try to collaborate all of the neurosciences again to improve research, patient care, and teaching at the medical center. And one of the centers of the Penn State Hershey Neuroscience Institute is our stroke center that deals with this type of problem as well as other kinds of strokes.
And programs like this generate the interest. Now, do you see a spike from this? Do people call and they start wondering about themselves?
Yeah, we look at these programs as an opportunity for us to talk to the public about an important disease process. We often do see an increased number of calls related to this type of problem, and I think this is a real service that this station does for the area.
And the good doctors in the answering center in there with Deborah. Yeah. Well, thank you, Doctor, for being here tonight. And thank you to our viewers for tonight for sending in your stories and sharing questions with us. We appreciate that. If you would like more information or you'd like to schedule an appointment at the Penn State Hershey Neuroscience Institute, just call 531-3828, or you can always go to the web, and you can see that website listed there, pennstatehershey.org/neuroscience. And thank you for being here tonight. We wish you all happy holidays and good health.